Do we have a vacation rental or a second vacation home for you in the heart of the Smokies? This 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo is located in Deer Ridge Mountain Resort, just above Bent Creek Golf Course, only about 15 minutes away from downtown Gatlinburg. We welcome you to Unit E105. This unit offers year-round spectacular views of Mount LeConte. The owners have updated the unit nicely with bamboo flooring in the living area and both bedrooms, granite countertops in the kitchen, a leather sleeper sofa and leather recliner, iron frame beds in bedrooms, and much, much more to plus this unit to more of your taste. Features include an open floor plan, rockwood burning fireplace, a fully equipped kitchen, a nice sized balcony which is accessible from the living room, and one bedroom. You'll also enjoy all the amenities Deer Creek Resort has to offer, such as the heated indoor pool with a large hot tub, steam room, dry sauna, tennis courts, playground, and a picnic pavilion. There's even a coin laundry for guests. Golfers beware! The lucky condo owner and spouse will receive a membership to the Bent Creek Golf Course and only pay for cart rental when desiring to play. This condo would make a great second home or a vacation rental. The condo is currently on a VRBO rental program and is turnkey. Schedule your private tour of Unit E105 at Deer Ridge Resort today. Call Mark Nichols of Coldwell Banker Wallace Direct at 865-253-6170.